Hello, my friends. Today we're going to give you a tour of the San Regis Hotel in Mexico City. This is one of the most iconic luxury properties here in Mexico City. This is a beautiful room with lots of details to unpack. So let's get started. When you enter through this door. The building is set up in a round building, as you can see. So every room has a window view and a fantastic view of the city. You enter through the door. It is one of the newer key locks that you can open through your door. Here's a quick view of the hallway as well. Once you enter, you have almost like a little bit of a grand hallway to get to the room section, or you can turn left to get to the bathroom section. I'm gonna save the bathroom for the end because it is the pièce de résistance. Once you get to the room, here to the right, first we have the temperature control and the lighting system. The lighting system is a little confusing. As you can see, there's lots of buttons for the desk, the bed, the curtain, the bureau, and then there's presets. So if I click on the welcome preset, you can see that some lights are now turned off. If I clicked on the working preset, the lights above the desk and other lights turn on. Leisure is a darker preset, and then there's a nighttime, which is an even more darker preset. What I did learn, and you may not be able to see it, is that if the light is on, it means that that light is off. So I had trouble trying to get these lights all to come on, but then later I learned that it was the opposite of what I was doing. So if I wanted the lights to come on, I needed to hit all the buttons that were on, and then that lit up the entire room. So to the right here, we have a desk with a nice, beautiful note left from the housekeeping staff about welcoming me to the hotel, letting me know if I need anything. You have plenty of space for your desk. Also a drawer with more stationery, and it even includes a highlighter, a pencil, a pen, and even paper clips. The desktop is a leather finish. You have an espresso machine, ice bucket over there, plenty of waters for you to enjoy, as well as minibar items. So here are some of the alcohol beverages: still water, sparkling water, plenty of glasses, including a champagne flute, wine glasses, and 2 types of crystal glasses. If you come down below, you have your actual minibar refrigerator, again with more drinks, and even they have a creamer that is stored in the refrigerator for the coffee. If you come to this section of the minibar, is the dry items, I suppose, the snacks, the chocolates, gummy bears, plenty of different snacks, and they look to be delicious looking and high quality. And then further below, you have your full coffee section, and it does include 2 different types of decaf, which I might be partaking in that later on. That finishes the desk. There is a couch that sits 3 to 4 different people. A coffee table here with a beautiful live plant. I always love when that is the case, when they have a real plant. I know that requires a lot of care and probably turnover because they do die, but these hotels have it. And then over here you have your main bed. This is a full king-size bed with 2 big nightstands. There are some USB plugs on the clock, but in this case I had to plug in my phone all the way over here because I didn't really find a plug in this section or closer to the bed. In this side of the nightstand, you have an iPad looking machine that controls certain things like a butler, concierge, private dining, and so on and so forth. This room and our room, they do come with butler service, and the butler is available to assist you with whatever special needs you have, such as ironing your clothes, and that is included. So I personally have partaken in that offering because I did need my shirts a little bit pressed coming from a trip where they get wrinkled in the luggage, so I have used that. But if you need a coffee or if you need a tea, they're happy to bring it over to you. Here's the closet. Watch for this detail here. This is a lavender feel sachet that keeps the closet smelling fresh. There's a rope here. There is an umbrella here in the back. Let me grab it for you. Today was a rainy day in Mexico City, so there's a purpose and a need for that. And you have some slippers here with the St. Regis logo. If we switch over to the other side of the closet, right here, you have more hangers, the laundry bags, there's even like the actual laundry bag here that you can take home with you. But also they have this detail where you can take this bag, and this is a shoe bag. So those bags are really so that you can put your shoe there, and then they will shoe shine your shoes and then bring them back in this tray. Now for the pièce de résistance and everyone's favorite part, the bathroom. So when you enter the bathroom, there is a walkway here, and straight ahead is your sink. This is a dual sink with a TV. Check this out. There's a TV built into the mirror, so you can watch the news or anything else as you're getting ready. Plenty of amenities, big bottles of lotion, mouthwash, lots of little trinket amenities like this forgot the name of those, face pads. There's a drawer here with more amenities like a sewing kit, a nail filer, and then there's also a chair that you can pull out. Ooh, wow, it's heavy. You can pull out to do your makeup. Plenty of towels, as you can see there. Plenty of water bottles that are provided and they're placed throughout the room for you. A makeup mirror as well. Now on this side, there's a door. There's a hair dryer hanging here, and this will be your toilet room. If you come to the opposite side, it is your shower room. But the shower room is not just a shower. It is literally a bath shower room. It is large. You can enter. You have a rain shower. You have a handheld shower and controls over to the left. Plenty of instructions for you to know how to operate it. And if you want to take a bath, on this side you have a bath in the same room with a loofah type pad, more towels, soaps. The only thing that I noticed is that there is no bath salts. Plenty of towels are lined up for you here, as well as more big bottle amenities. I did notice that the amenities are different throughout the hotel. So sometimes there's this brand, sometimes there's this other brand. If you go down to the spa, there's a different brand. So there's a little bit of a mismatching amenity system, but hey, that is no big deal. Overall, that is the St. Regis in Mexico City. There are 3 hotels of this luxury caliber in Mexico City, in my opinion, starting with the Four Seasons, which is the oldest one, followed by the St. Regis, which is about 15 years old. But as you can see, extremely well kept, maintained, renovated. And then the most recent opening, which is this Ritz-Carlton in Mexico City. I also have a video on the Ritz-Carlton. Check that one out. Enjoy. Bye-bye.